Maddie, it's Statistica reporting from HQ. We've got an emergency call from Wearwell about failed anti-fatigue flooring. We need your help. Over. I've got my hands full right now, Statistica. This flooring emergency sounds like a job for ErgoDeck. Call in Dexter for this one. Over and out. Dexter located. Sending visuals now.
Weak link is terrorizing the industrial athletes. Failed anti-fatigue flooring is causing trips, falls, and wasted man-hours on attempted repairs.
According to the National Safety Council, trip and fall claims cost companies up to $41,531 and is the third leading cause of missed workdays. Dexter, we need your help.
Dexter from Wearwell arrives. Your low-quality tiles have the industrial athletes all tripped up. Step aside, weak link. You're in over your head.
This is my turf, Dexter. The industrial athletes are mine. I was here first.
We'll see about that. Your weak connections are no match for my positive interlocks.
How are you so strong?
Don't you know? It takes over 225 pounds of force to separate ErgoDeck tiles. Get lost, Ergo Trash. Now, to install quality, long-lasting ErgoDeck flooring.
Ergo Blasters, engage!
Thanks to Wearwell and Dexter, our industrial athletes can work safely and efficiently on their new ErgoDeck flooring. If this sounds familiar, call Wearwell HQ now.